If your Telegram messages are not sending, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the 2 quickest checks you can do to figure out what's going on and how to fix it. This is a really common problem, and in many cases it's not your phone, your internet, or even the app itself. It could be Telegram servers, or it could be a temporary restriction on your account. So we'll walk through both checks step by step, in the simplest way possible. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. 1. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is check Telegram's server status. Sometimes messages stop sending because Telegram is having a temporary outage or service disruption. When that happens, the issue is on Telegram's side and there's nothing you can do except wait for the service to come back online. To check this, open your browser and search for Downdetector Telegram. Downdetector is a website that tracks outages in real time based on user reports. Once you open the Telegram status page, look at the graph and the recent reports. If you see a huge spike in reports, that usually means Telegram is currently down or experiencing problems in your area. If Telegram is down, your messages may get stuck on sending, fail to deliver, or show a loading icon for a long time. In that case, the best solution is simply to wait and try again later. You can also test by sending a message on another device, but if the server is down, the result will usually be the same everywhere. Now, if Telegram appears to be working normally, the next thing you need to check is whether your account has any restrictions. This is especially important if you have recently sent a lot of messages, added people to groups, or interacted with users who are not in your contacts. Telegram may temporarily flag accounts that appear to be sending unsolicited messages. To check for this, open Telegram and search for the official @spam bot. This bot is designed to help you see whether your account has been restricted. Once you open the bot, start the chat and follow the instructions it gives you. In many cases, it will tell you whether your account has been limited from sending messages to non-contacts or performing certain actions. If a spam bot shows that your account has been flagged, that means Telegram has temporarily restricted some of your messaging abilities. This can happen automatically, and the restriction may be removed after some time if there are no further issues. If the bot gives you a reason or a time frame, follow those instructions carefully and avoid sending repeated messages or doing anything that could make the restriction worse. If the bot says there are no restrictions, then the issue may be something else, like a poor connection, an outdated app, or a temporary sync problem. In that case, you can try basic troubleshooting, like switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting the app, or updating Telegram to the latest version. But the 2 checks in this video are the most important first steps because they help you quickly rule out the most common causes. So to recap, first check whether Telegram is down using Downdetector. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait. Second, check your account restrictions by messaging the official @spam bot on Telegram. If your account has been flagged, follow the guidance and give it time to recover. I hope this helped you fix Telegram messages not sending. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.